Coffee versus cocoa. Can cocoa replace coffee? 1 cup of hot cacao contains about half the caffeine of a brewed cup of coffee. Cacao is considered an alternative to coffee because it resembles that bitter taste. Similar to coffee, it's earthy, bitter, and slightly nutty. It's not as strong as coffee, but it does have a distinct flavor profile that can't be mistaken. Cacao is rich in nutrients, especially antioxidants and theobromine, a good substitute for caffeine. You can safely add cacao powder to coffee. Why brewed cacao is better than coffee? Unlike coffee, which constricts blood vessels and raises your heart rate to increase blood flow, cacao contains something called theobromine, which translates as food of the gods. In addition, cocoa can help in massive fat loss.